Looking to elevate your home without sacrificing practicality? These luxury Amazon finds combine modern design with everyday usefulness to give your space a clean, high-end feel. From smart upgrades to refined essentials, each pick is made to look good and work effortlessly. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Keep your bathroom neat with this rotating toothbrush holder. The sliding lid protects your brushes from dust and splashes, while the 360-degree swivel lets you grab what you need from any angle. 3 slots fit toothbrushes, toothpaste, or even makeup brushes, making it perfect for counters with limited space. Non-slip feet and drainage holes keep it stable and mess-free. Durable ABS construction ensures it lasts for years of daily use. Bring adventure to your desk with this Illuminated Globe. A delicate sailboat inside adds a nautical touch, while the clear globe shows detailed maps with easy-to-read lines and fonts. It doubles as a soft, ambient lamp, perfect for study or workspaces. Touch controls and USB/Type-C charging make it effortless to use. Mounted on a stylish metal stand, it's both educational and a stunning decor piece. Upgrade any room with this double-sided corner clock. One side shows classic clock hands, the other a clear digital display, so you can tell time at a glance from any angle. Sleek acrylic and metal construction fits modern decor effortlessly. Wall-mounted design keeps surfaces clutter-free while adding style to your office or living room. Easy to install and USB-powered, it's both practical and visually striking. So if you want timekeeping made stylish and simple, scan the QR on screen. Upgrade your bedroom with this floating nightstand. It has a built-in 18-watt wireless charger plus USB and Type-C ports to power all your devices without messy cords. 3-color LED lights set the perfect mood for reading or relaxing. A spacious surface and sliding drawer keep your essentials organized and within reach. Sleek, wall-mounted, and modern, it's a smart and stylish addition to any room. Transform your room into a calming oasis with this essential oil diffuser. It's small but mighty, running up to 20 hours to fill spaces with soothing aromatherapy. 7 ambient lights set the mood, while quiet operation keeps your sleep and focus uninterrupted. Remote control lets you adjust mist, lights, and timers effortlessly. Safe, stylish, and perfect for home, bedroom, yoga, or gifting to loved ones. So if you want your space to feel serene, scan the QR on screen. Take movie nights anywhere with this portable projector. It packs 5 hours of playtime with the power-based stand, perfect for backyard movies or camping trips. The 360-degree adjustable stand lets you project on walls, ceilings, or any angle for the perfect view. With 450 ISO lumens, 1080p clarity, and built-in Netflix on Google TV, your shows and movies look vibrant and sharp. Powerful Harman Kardon speakers fill the room with cinematic sound, all in a coffee thermos-sized, easy-to-carry design. Turn your living room into the ultimate relaxation zone with this L-shaped power recliner sectional. The zero-gravity design supports your back while you read, watch TV, or nap in total comfort. Touch-sensitive controls adjust the backrest and even lay it flat for a quick guest bed. The center console hides cup holders and secret storage to keep your space tidy. Built with durable leather, high-density foam, and sturdy metal, it's made to last and feel amazing. Make every meal feel special with this Silverware Set. It includes knives, forks, spoons, and teaspoons for 6 people, all neatly stored in a portable chest. Made from high-grade stainless steel, each piece stays shiny, rust-free, and durable for years. The sleek mirror-polished design adds a modern touch to any table. Dishwasher safe and comfortable to hold, it's perfect for family dinners, parties, or even outdoor picnics. So if you want meals that feel fancy every day, scan the QR on screen. Maximize your space with this clever lift-top coffee table. The top lifts in 2 directions, letting you work, dine, or relax without interruptions. Hidden compartments and drawers keep clutter out of sight, while an open shelf displays your favorite decor. The sturdy metal lift mechanism makes raising the top smooth and quiet. Durable, multifunctional, and easy to clean. It's perfect for small apartments, home offices, or cozy living rooms. Cleaning just got a major upgrade. This wet-dry vacuum vacuums and mops in one step, cutting your chores in half. Its powerful suction lifts dirt, hair, and spills instantly, while the anti-tangle design keeps the brush clear. The 180-degree lay-flat body reaches under furniture and along edges with ease. With up to 30 minutes of runtime, it keeps floors spotless from corner to corner. So if you want effortless cleaning, scan the QR on screen. Bring cafe-quality coffee home with this manual espresso machine. It brews single, double, or long shots and works with both ground coffee and pods. The adjustable steam wand creates thick, velvety foam for cappuccinos or lattes. Backlit, user-friendly controls make customizing drinks easy, and the removable cup tray fits taller mugs. Quick heating gets your coffee ready fast, while a hot water dispenser adds even more versatility. Add a touch of charm to your kitchen with this B-shaped honey jar. The metal lid keeps honey fresh and mess-free, while the golden design looks delightful on any countertop. It's not just for honey, you can store sugar, spices, or tea leaves in it too. The included dipper makes serving easy and elegant. Compact, durable, and stylish, it's a fun and practical way to brighten your kitchen or gift to someone special. Upgrade your kitchen game instantly. This 15-piece knife set slices, dices, and chops almost anything you throw at it. The ergonomic handles reduce wrist strain, making long cooking sessions easier and more comfortable. A built-in sharpener keeps every blade razor sharp in just a few seconds. Dishwasher safe and made from high-carbon stainless steel, it stays durable, clean, and ready for any culinary adventure. The elegant block keeps everything organized and within reach. Step into the future of showering. This smart thermostatic shower system keeps water at a perfect 40 degrees Celsius, so every shower feels just right. The large star-shaped overhead head mixes air into the water, creating soft, plump droplets that feel gentle on your skin. 4 piano-style keys let you control water modes with a touch, while 360-degree LED lights add a spa-like vibe. A built-in shelf holds your shower essentials, and the pressurized handheld spray gun makes cleaning your bathroom effortless. Imagine wrapping yourself in pure warmth right after a shower. This towel warmer heats towels, robes, and blankets evenly in just 30 seconds. The realistic 3D flame adds a cozy glow while keeping your bathroom stylish. You can set a timer up to 2 hours, and it automatically shuts off for safety. Extra large and user-friendly, it even lets you add a faint aromatherapy scent for a spa-like experience at home. So if you want that spa feeling daily, scan the QR on screen. Add a touch of elegance to any room with this feather table lamp. Soft white feathers and a gold base create a modern, airy look that brightens up bedrooms, desks, or living spaces. You can switch between 3 light colors: warm, cool, and soft yellow, perfect for reading, working, or setting a cozy mood. It's easy to set up with no tools needed and fits beautifully in small or large spaces. Stylish and functional, it also makes a thoughtful gift for someone special. Turn your room into a mini party or a chill retreat with this portable vinyl player. It plays records, connects via Bluetooth, or even uses TF card and AUX modes, so your music goes wherever you want. Soft, adjustable lights set the mood, while 360-degree sound fills the space. Perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Lightweight and easy to move, it's great for bedrooms, gatherings, or parties. Music and ambiance come together in one stylish, vintage-inspired package. So, if you want music and vibes anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Wrinkles don't stand a chance against this powerhouse iron. It uses professional steam pressure to blast through stubborn creases fast, so you spend less time ironing. Steam flows evenly across the sole plate, smoothing fabric in just a few passes. It heats up quickly and stays ready for long sessions with a large removable water tank. Safe on all fabrics, it gives you crisp, clean clothes with a polished, professional finish every time. Say goodbye to earbuds that hurt your ears. These open-ear earbuds sit comfortably outside your ear canal, letting you hear your music and stay aware of your surroundings while running or biking. AI noise reduction keeps calls crystal clear, even in busy streets or gyms. With up to 72 hours of total playtime and waterproof design, they're ready for every workout or adventure. Quick touch controls and an LED display make using them effortless on the go. Your skincare routine just got its own VIP spot. This mini fridge keeps your creams, serums, and masks perfectly chilled or gently warmed when needed. The front mirror lights up with adjustable brightness, so you can prep and apply right where you stand. It's compact, quiet, and easy to move from bedroom to office or even the car. Beauty, storage, and convenience all come together in one sleek little fridge. So if you want your skincare kept just right, scan the QR on screen. If staying focused feels harder than it should, this little cube has your back. Just flip it to start a timer and get straight to work. No apps, no distractions. Preset times help you focus, rest, and reset without thinking about the clock. You can keep it silent, vibrating, or audible depending on where you are. It's simple, visual, and built to help you stay on task without overwhelming you. Your nightstand just became the smartest spot in the room. This modern bedside table charges your phone wirelessly while also powering up other devices through built-in ports. Soft RGB lighting lets you set the mood, whether you want calm, cozy, or futuristic vibes. 3 drawers and an open shelf give you plenty of space to hide clutter and keep essentials close. It looks sleek, feels premium, and makes bedtime way more convenient for you. So if you want a high-tech nightstand, scan the QR on screen. Your makeup deserves better than a messy drawer. This portable makeup case opens up to a bright LED mirror, so you can see every detail no matter where you're getting ready. Inside, smart compartments and smooth drawers keep brushes, palettes, and accessories neatly organized. It's lightweight enough to carry, but sturdy enough to handle daily use. At home or on the go, you get a clean setup and flawless results every time you use it. Midnight feedings just got a whole lot easier. This smart formula dispenser mixes a warm bottle for you automatically, so there's no scooping, shaking, or guessing. You control everything from your phone, even from across the room. It blends powder and water evenly to avoid clumps and air bubbles that cause fussiness. With one tap, you get a perfectly mixed bottle in seconds, exactly when your baby needs it. So if you want stress-free night feeds, scan the QR on screen. Your bed might look clean, but this gadget says otherwise. This handheld mattress vacuum is built to pull out dust, allergens, and hidden debris from deep inside fabric. Powerful suction and rapid tapping work together to shake loose what you can't see, while UV light helps sanitize the surface as you clean. A smart sensor shows you how dirty the area is in real time, so you know when you're actually done. Add gentle heat to keep things dry, and you get a fresher, healthier place to sleep every night. So if you want a truly clean bed, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.